going to be moving this top LED here, get the long leg. You notice two small holes either side of the bulb holder. Take your positive, your resistor side, push the LED through the holes, push it in place, and there you're just going to solder onto the back of these tabs here. Get some flux because you're going to need a bit of heat on your soldering iron. Check the LED. I'm going to solder in the small LED at the bottom. Unplugging, unclip the circuit board from its clips, making sure you don't lose the springs. Insert the LED through here. You want to be getting the LED lined up with the perspex in the middle. And fold over your positive, fold over your negative, and these are really easy to solder in. Always flux. With the LED in place, you can tweak it just to get the light exactly where you want it. If you want to test the switch before you fit it, pin number 31 is your negative, pin 58K is the positive for the bottom LED, and pin 15 is the positive for the top LED.